channel. So glad you decided to stop back by for yet another Snatch and Slay session with your girl. And today I'm super excited because we're hopping back into our big screen look series, and we are going to be inspired by the TV show Euphoria.
Wait, are you in the play?
What play?
Lexi's play.
What do you mean Lexi's play?
The play that Lexi wrote.
Oklahoma.
What?
The play's called Oklahoma.
No, the drama club's doing Oklahoma.
Oh my god, do I look like I'm in Oklahoma?
So excited for this look because Euphoria, if you are familiar with that TV show, if not, you are missing out. It comes on HBO. If you have HBO Max, it is available to watch. But anyway, such a great TV show. We're gonna be inspired by that today. If you're not familiar with that TV show, they have so many great makeup looks that just blow my mind, but we're just gonna be inspired by that and see what we come up with. I am gonna be jumping back into this Midnight palette by Beauty Bay that I shared with you guys in my last video, so we're gonna be using a little bit more colors in here. And I'm also gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette because there's some colors in there that I want to use. And we are also going to be jumping into this Mamacita glitter that I got like forever ago, and I'm just now using it. So I'm super excited for today's video. But before we jump into it, of course I need you to do a couple things for me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can be part of the Snatch and Slay gang. Don't forget to click that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads, therefore making it easier for you to come and snatch and slay on the regular. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I just went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera and eyelids are set, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the tea, okay? I'm thinking I have an idea of what I want to do, but I'm just hoping that it comes together smoothly at this point. So we're gonna go ahead and jump. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the Midnight palette first. There's just so many freaking decisions in these palettes because there's 42 colors in the Midnight palette alone. So I'm only jumping into like one color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. So we're gonna jump into this color right here, Midnight. That color right there in the corner, and we're gonna go ahead and chisel out our crease with this color. Something similar to what I did with the green look that I did in the last vlog that I posted. There's not really much that I'm going to say or that needs to be said about Euphoria, but if you've never watched it, it's a pretty self-explanatory TV show, but if you've never watched it, if you've never seen it before, just this show about teenagers who are doing grown people things. Like they're into drugs, there's, you know, they're trying to figure out their sexualities, they're trying to figure out who they are as people, they're trying to maneuver being in relationships. Like there's just, there's like different scenarios for every character. It's just like a big whirlwind of like the teenage life with characters who are just trying to figure out who they are in their own way. And on this show, they have like I said, they really go all out with the makeup looks and sometimes even the outfits. And so it's just such a great TV show to be inspired by when it comes to makeup because, I mean, their makeup is always flawless. So, and it always has like a touch of glitter somewhere in their makeup looks. So I'm super excited. Going in with that shade Midnight. And we're just gonna take it in the crease here and just start to chisel out the crease area. So you notice I said that it was about teenagers, but it's not something that I probably wouldn't let your teenager watch it because it's definitely like a grown-up show. Even though it is about teenagers, but they doing grown people stuff. So it's not really something that I would let your kids watch or your teen watch. Just a little FYI for you. It's kind of like when I was growing up, the movie 13 with Rachel Evan Wood and Nikki Reed. That movie was about teenagers, so you'd think, oh, it's called 13. Of course, I could let my kid watch it. No, 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 not a good idea. Because again, yes, they are teenagers, but they're doing grown people things. And again, I think I'm just gonna stick to one eye till I figure out what I'm doing exactly. And I think this is well chiseled out. I'm just bringing some more product in the crease here. So now I'm gonna jump into this Jacqueline palette. Jacqueline Hill palette. And I'm gonna go on with the shade Tipsy Girl. Right here. And I'm going to take that. I'm gonna use that shade to blend out this blue shade. I'm actually gonna go back in with that, the darker blue shade in the Midnight palette, in the shade Midnight, and start packing that, some more of that back into the crease, because once we blended it out, it kind of lost its pigment. So, just going back into the crease with that. I'm gonna bring that down on the lid as well. As I mentioned a while back, I got these glitter things from Mamacita Cosmetics. I actually found this on TikTok. Michaela on TikTok, she tried it out on one of her TikToks, and it influenced me to go buy them. So, and then it comes with this Mamacita Cosmetics peel off glitter glue, and it's supposed to be, you know, you put the glitter glue on first and then you pack the glitter on, and then once you take it off, you can just peel it all the way off without like having to wipe it and it getting all over your face like most glitter products do. So I thought it was really cool, and it's my very first time using it. I've had it for like months now, and I've been waiting for the perfect time to use it. So today I figured, hello, why not? It's the perfect time. So just looking in this, because there's different ones. So there's a purple one. There's a purple and blue one, which might be perfect for our look. This one's also a little bit purple and blue, but it's like a different shade. This is gold, definitely not using that. This is not really what we're working with, and neither are these two. So I think it's gonna be narrowed down to these two. I think I'm gonna use this one. I think it's perfect for our look here. We're gonna go in with a flat brush first to pack down the glue. Super excited to do this. Hella thick, fam. And we're just gonna take it on the lid where we're gonna put the glitter. Very sticky. So this glitter is definitely gonna adhere to the lid. Actually, I'm gonna use my finger first to see how that works. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in glitter heaven right now. Can you like see that? It's so cool. So I'm gonna go and do my other eye, and then we're gonna jump into our base. Be right back. Alright you guys, so we're gonna jump back into our lower lashes after we put our base on. So we're gonna hop into primer. We're gonna go in with the Skinic Supplement Bar Serum Glow Filter Primer and prime our face so we can have a nice smooth canvas. don't want to be an extra right now with my pronunciation. Rub all that in. I'm really obsessed with this eye look right now, but I feel like we're gonna take it to a whole nother level once we finish off the complete look. Now we're gonna jump in with this Too Faced foundation, Born This Way 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation in the shade Cocoa, one of my faves. And we're just gonna go in. I think I'm almost out of this, and I'm gonna have to re-up soon. I'm just ruining my wardrobe here. It's actually a really old shirt, so it's not that big of a deal, but alright, now we're gonna go on with this Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer by Makeup Revolution in the shade 613 or C13. Forgot all about this concealer. I used to use it all the time. It's really good concealer. Alright, now I'm gonna go on with this Fenty Beauty setting spray or setting powder in the shade Honey, and this is the Pro Filter setting powder. Love the way this stuff smells. It's ridiculous. Dust that off. Not letting it sit too long. Take this Morphine Continuous Setting Mist to set or to soak up any leftover powder. Alright guys, had to change out the batteries because it was about to go dead. Anyway, we're gonna go in with a mix of these two blushes right here. These two blushes. And this Juvia's Place Saharian blush palette. Gonna go on the cheeks with this. We're gonna take this bronzer and this my Cover Fix palette right here that I have severely hit pan on, and we're gonna just go in and bronze and contour. Really just contouring, chiseling out the cheeks. I'm gonna also hit the forehead with this. Alright, now we're gonna take this highlighter by Wet n Wild, the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is from their Halloween collection, Caught in Your Web, in the shade Caught in Your Web. And it's like a fluorescent type of, I don't think you can't really tell on the camera, but it's very euphoric. Catch what I did there? Anyway, we're gonna go on the cheeks with this, or on the high points of our cheeks. Bow. Woo! You see that? Do you see that combination right there? Hello. I'm gonna take that same highlighter and bring it down the nose. Loving it. Loving it. Now we're gonna jump back into the eyes and do a little razzle dazzle on the lower lashes or lower lash line. I'm just gonna go in with that midnight shade first in the waterline, or get it as close to the waterline as I can. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in with that Tipsy Girl shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette to blend out this darker shade. Pretty much giving ourselves the same color story that we have going on our eyes, on our lower lash line as well. I'm gonna jump back into the Midnight palette by Beauty Bay, and I'm going to take one of these shimmers in the inner corner here. I think I'm gonna take this one, Gleam. I'm gonna take that in the inner corner just to brighten up the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I do believe I'll be using the Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline, my fave. We're just gonna coat our lower lashes as well as our actual lashes. I'm going in with some brand spanking new lashes by Kiss. It's called the Mink Effect Big Curvy Sexy Volume Extra Thick. And I got these from Dollar General actually. Supercharged Collection. Super excited to see what they look like. I think they'll be nice and thick and voluptuous for this look we got going on here, if you know what I mean. I can get them out the box. I may have to trim them down a smidge. Got my eyelashes on. Now we're gonna go in with this Dose of Colors Nami Tang lip liner and just line out our lips here. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Lingerie, a liquid lipstick in the shade Scandalous. I haven't used this in forever. And just take that in the center of our lips here. I'm not really sure about like the combination with this particular look that we have going on. I don't. So now with that, we're snatched and looking very much euphoric. Let's go ahead and get slayed. So, I did change my lippy. I didn't like the combination we used, so I just went in with the Beauty Bakery More Divorce liquid lipstick. And just went in with that. But I am super obsessed with this look. Wish I was going somewhere with it, and I'm definitely not. I'll probably make a couple of TikToks with it, but I ain't going nowhere today. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next one.